Welcome to another vlog from Gopakumar Rajan. Oriel is the window to the universe and unknown frontiers. An open eye on everything imaginable and beyond. Please subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Press the bell icon and select all for latest video notification. Also, don't forget to like and share this video among your friends. Marioor or Marioor is a small town in Idukki district of Kerala, India. It's located 42 kilometers north of Munnar on the State Highway 17, connecting Munnar with Udumalla or Udumalpet in Tamil Nadu. The name Marioor is said to be derived from two words, Marai and Oru. In Tamil language, Marai means hidden and Oru means place. Legend has it that the great Pandavas of the epic Mahabharata had stayed in this area during their exile, and so the place was named as Maranju, Arana, Oru, or the land they hide in exile. Later it became the land's name, as known as today, Marioor, derived from these two words. Marioor is the only place in Kerala that has natural sandalwood forest. Sandalwood or Santalum album, commonly known as the Indian sandalwood, is a dry deciduous forest species naturally occurring in China, India, Indonesia, and the Philippines. These tropical trees grow up to a height of 20 meters. The IUCN Red List of the endangered species listed the sandalwood trees in the category of vulnerable species. India has placed an export ban on sandalwood timber. Aside of its natural sandalwood forests, flora and fauna, innumerable scenic locations, Marioor is best known for its extensive sugarcane cultivation. Around 2,500 acres of land is under sugarcane cultivation, and it's the major crop of Marioor and Kantholor region. Marioor jaggery is one of the sweetest jaggeries produced in this area from the sugarcane juice, using age-old traditional methods. The world-famous Marioor jaggery got the geographical indication status in 2019. High sweetness without salty taste, low sodium content, less insoluble impurities, highest amount of health beneficial iron and mineral content, natural brown color, organic method of production, etc., are the unique characteristics of this traditional delicacy. The quality of the Marioor jaggery is attributed to the high altitude of the area, ideal low temperature climate, soil quality, purity of the water used for irrigation, sugarcane varieties used in cultivation, and the traditional way of production. Another speciality of Marioor jaggery is that it's made in numerous small production sheds, located within the sugarcane fields, and or adjacent to it, using traditional methods. A sugar juice extractor is the only machine used for the production. All other activities are manually done. We heard a lot of technical jargon such as farm fresh, freshly packed, etc. This is a 100% true statement in case of Marioor jaggery. It's prepared within the sugarcane fields immediately after harvesting. In today's video, we are showing you the entire production process of Marioor jaggery, from extracting the sugarcane juice to the final product, the jaggery balls known as Undashakara. The manufacturing is a labor-oriented and lengthy process and took around 6 to 8 hours for completion. The Undashakara, or the solid, ball-shaped brown jaggery, is the main produce of this region, besides cool season vegetables and fruits. Oranges, apples, strawberries, plums, banana, and other fruits are mainly produced here. Carrot, cauliflower, and cabbage are the main vegetables. However, a fluid form of jaggery, known as pani shakara, and a powdered form of brown sugar also produced here in lesser quantities. The jaggery balls produced in Marioor and Kantholor region has a higher demand in the market, due to its high purity and quality, without any adulteration. Due to its uniqueness, purity and traditions, the Marioor jaggery got the geographical indication status from the Government of India, under Class 30 of GI Registries, Intellectual Property India, Journal number 113, under Certificate number 341, on 6 March 2019. The geographical indication tag, Marioor jaggery and Marioor shakara, are the registered property of Anchunadu Karimpu Ulpadana Vipanana Sangam.
നിങ്ങൾ എത്ര സ്റ്റാഫ് ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ?
ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ 60 പേരുണ്ട്. കരുമ്പ് വെട്ടി എല്ലാം
60 സ്റ്റാഫുണ്ട്.
60 പേരുണ്ട്.
60 പേര്.
കരുമ്പ് വെട്ടി പണി ഈ ലോഡിങ്.
എത്ര മണിക്ക് തുറക്കും? സൺഡേ ഉണ്ടോ? സൺഡേ
അല്ല, ഇത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ദിവസം ഞങ്ങൾ അവിടെ എറണാകുളം, ഇവിടെ മൂവാറ്റുപുഴ
സപ്ലൈ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. വേറെ ഉണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതല്ലാണ്ട് വേറെ ഫാക്ടറി?
വേറെ വീട്ടിലുണ്ട് പാക്കറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
പാക്കിംഗ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അവിടെ.
പാക്കിംഗ്
ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. അവിടെ പാക്കിംഗ് അല്ല.
പാക്കിംഗ് വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് പാക്കി ഇപ്പം നിന്ന് ലോഡ്
കയറ്റി കൊണ്ടുവരും.
അത് 1/2 കിലോ 1 കിലോ
പാക്കുണ്ട്. എവിടെ വരെ ഉണ്ട് സപ്ലൈ നമുക്ക്?
സപ്ലൈ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് അടിമാലിത്തോട്ട് കണക്ക് പിടിക്കുക. എറണാകുളം, തിരുവനന്തപുരം
ഉണ്ട്
എല്ലാം.
എനിക്കിട്ട് അഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണതല്ലേ?
മായല്ലാതെ മറ്റു മായയില്ലാതെ ഈ കരിപ്പൊരിക്കുന്നില്ല. ഇത് മായയില്ലാത്ത കിലോ 100 രൂപയ്ക്ക് ഇവിടെ
നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഹോൾസെയിൽ കൊടുക്കണത്
അത് അവർ നമ്മൾ പറയുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ പോയി കുടിക്കുന്നത് അവർ പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. നമ്മളിവിടെ നിന്ന് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്
നമ്മളിവിടെ കസ്റ്റമർ വന്നിറങ്ങാൻ ചില്ലറൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുമല്ലോ. കൊടുക്കും.
ടൂറിസ്റ്റുകാർ വന്നാൽ
കൊടുക്കും.
Now, you know about the background. Let's go to see the production process of the Marigord Jaggery in detail. We will show you each and every step of the production, till the final product. Today, we are in a small jaggery making unit owned by Mr. Sam. Let's see how this world-famous delicacy of Marigord made. There are numerous units in Marigord area making jaggery, but almost all units are ceased operations now, because the harvesting season of sugarcane is almost over. New plants are not yet mature for harvesting. Sam's jaggery making units is one among the few still running. They buy sugarcane from other small farmers in this area to continue the operation. As earlier said, the production of the Marigord jaggery is manual, and Sam employed about 60 people for the production of jaggery in his unit. The harvested sugarcane stems are transported to the production unit in small bundles. The leaves and the fibrous residue of the sugarcane after extracting the juice are dried in sunlight and used as a fuel in the manufacturing process. The sugarcane juice is extracted manually by pressing the canes using a diesel-run sugarcane roller, until it's pulped into a fibrous residue. As the juice is extracted, the impurities, such as broken down parts of sugarcane and leaves, are strained through a mesh and collected into a ground-level tank. From this tank, the juice is pumped into another overhead tank, kept inside the jaggery production unit. When they are ready for production of the jaggery, the juice collected in the overhead tank is transferred into a large steel wok. Meanwhile, the fire is started burning beneath the wok. While the liquid in the wok is getting hotter, impurities in the juice are started to float over the surface as a thick, slurry-like froth. It's filtered out using a big, perforated metal spoon. The juice is boiled for a couple of hours, stirring it throughout the process, using specially made wooden spatula. Once the syrup thickened and caramelized, the stirring is done vigorously. The workers judge the timing to pour out the sugar syrup by splashing it to the side of the wok, and keenly observing the changes of color and time taken to dry up the syrup. When they judge the exact time to transfer the thick syrup backed by their experience, they poured the syrup into a wooden trough through a metal mesh to sieve out any solid impurities. The stirring process continues while the syrup cooling down and thickened further. When it's thickened sufficiently, the workers start to make the jaggery balls from the still hot and pliable matter with their bare hands, wetted in cold water. The original Mari or jaggery balls have the finger marks of the person who rolled up the jaggery balls. After filling each of the trays with jaggery balls, it's kept for cooling down and hardens naturally. Then it's packed and shipped out to wholesale and retail outlets throughout the country. Next time you are buying jaggery from a shop, just remember these workers' effort to produce this unique delicacy belongs to Marior. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Please stay tuned for another informative video.